In this video, I am making a sales report generator, and here is the code. I will show you how it works. First, you need to enter the price of the hot dogs. 7. Enter the price of soda. 12. And enter the price of water. 2. And after that, you need to enter the number of hot dogs sold. 36. And enter the number of sodas sold. 20. And enter the numbers of water sold. 25. It will show you the sales report and how much money you make in a day.